Hi, Abdul here, back with an tutorial. Today I'm going to tell you how to download Windows 10 21H1 direct download from the laptop or desktop. Let's go to the tutorial. Open Chrome, search for Windows 10, 10 voice download. So click on the first image, first link. So once you navigate to this window, so you'll be seeing either to update now or you need to create a media installation tool. So there won't be an option to directly download the ISO file. So if you click this, it will open an upgrade assistance for you to update this PC from here. Okay, so show up Windows 10. So this is the latest version 21H1. So you can update directly from here, or you can create a media installation tool using this tool. So I have already downloaded the tool here. So this is the tool. So here you'll get an window, notice on license terms. Just click accept. So once this has completed, you can able to see upgrade this PC now, or you need to create an installation media. You can use a USB flash drive to install for the another machine. So let's see how to directly download from here the ISO file, so that we can use that ISO file. Maybe you can use the virtual machines software third party tool to run the OS. Right click on the page, give inspect. Here you can see triple dot. Here you can see the dots, right? Just click over there, go to more tools, click for network conditions. So once you done this, go to user agent. By default it will be using user browser default. Just click this one. Here you can select Chrome, iPad, or anything. Let me select for Chrome iPad. Okay, once this is done, then you need to refresh this page. Once you refresh, now you can able to download the Windows 10 disk image ISO file directly from the site. See, you can see here. So we have here Windows 10 May 2021 update. Then just confirm here. So you will be asking for the language. Select English, confirm. So it will be asking now for 32 or 64 bit, obviously 64 bit. So you can see the download here. The file is getting downloaded here. This can be done. Okay. So you have another options to download directly from the site. We can use, there is a tool Rufus. So this is for creating the bootable USB drives. Okay, so you can download the software from here with this link, this one. So portable, and also this Rufus 3.14, this one you can download. So I already have downloaded the, okay, just double click on this. So here you can see you can connect the device. Okay, this is boot selections. If you want to download directly from here, Microsoft site, just click this one drop down and select download. Once you download this, click this running download script. You can see the status here. Once this is done, you will be getting in pop-up download ISO image. So here you can see you can download 7, 8.1 or 10. So 10, if I click 10 and continue, it will show the latest build. So here are the few builds you can able to see for Windows 10. So the latest one, so 21H1, this is the latest build you can able to see. Just click continue. Next you will be asking for edition, Windows Home or Pro. So you can select Home and Pro and continue. Next you will be asking for the language, English. Internationally, if I have selected, just give continue. Here you can select the architecture. Okay, so you can either download using a browser or give the download here. So you will be asking for an place where you can able to save. Okay, so downloads, I select downloads, just give save. Okay, it will, you can see the status of the downloading here. So this is how so 5.4 GB gig. So this is how you can do the direct download of Windows 10. Thanks teams, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.